Welcome back to Texelated Isolated with Technology, and today we're going to check out the Razer Seiren Mini. Alright, this one's going to be a quick unboxing. I was walking through Walmart today. I saw this mic on sale for $49.99 and thought, what the heck, it's so cheap, I might as well just pick it up. If it's crap, it's crap. But if it's good, I could just use it at my computer. I don't really have a microphone at my computer that I like. Let's see if this is something that I could use. But anyways, let's check it out. Alright, so as you can see, it says the Razer Seiren Mini Ultra Compact Condenser Microphone. On the side here, it says ultra precise supercardioid pickup pattern, professional recording quality, ultra compact build, heavy duty tilting stand, shock resistant, plug and play with USB. All right, so it shows you the supercardioid pattern there. Shows that it comes in black, mercury, and quartz. And everything else is repeated. Let's get into this box. Alright, so it looks like we have some kind of documentation. Kind of like wax paper. Kind of like their mission statement. This looks like it might be the manual. How to put everything together. Which should be pretty straightforward. Don't think I need a manual for that. Some stickers. All right, now to the meat and potatoes. This looks like it is the stand. Not very heavy. Feels kind of lightweight. It's got like a spongy, rubbery material at the bottom here to prevent sliding, of course. Now we have the cable, USB-A. All right, so here's the cable. Nice quality cable, but definitely not USB-C here. All right, so it looks like the extender to add to the base. Let's put it together right now while we got it. All right, so just as simple as screwing that on. And I believe last but not least, we have the mic. Very lightweight, very small, very tiny, feels like a metal grill, pretty sturdy, plastic body, and your 5/8 connection here to connect to your boom arm. I see a little light right here. I guess that indicates whether you're live or muted. It says Razer on the front. That's about it. All right, let's put it together on the base. All right, so there you have it. It's tilting at the base as well, so that's pretty cool. I don't know if this is going to be sufficient for placing on a desk. It's way too small. But if it has a good pickup, you won't need to have it right next to your mouth. All right, so what I'm going to do now is connect it to my laptop so we can hear what this microphone sounds like inside the isolation chamber. Be right back. All right, I'm back. So we have now connected the Razer Seiren Mini to my laptop. Now I'm going to open up the voice recorder app on my computer and start recording. All right, check 1 2, check 1 2. This is a test of the Razer Seiren Mini. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Is this a good quality mic? $49.99 on sale in Walmart. What do you think? This is the Razer Seiren Mini. Let me know what you think. Test 1 2, test 1 2. This is about 3 inches away from my mouth. And let me know what you think. Right, there you have it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. That's the Razer Seiren Mini. One of my impulse purchases while walking through Walmart. $50 on sale. Regular, I have no idea. I'll put a link in the description. And with that said, thank you for joining me inside the isolation chamber. You've been watching Texelated, Isolated with Technology. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.